Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, so it's really foggy right now. I don't know why, but it's a good thing, I guess, because it's not that cold. And but I can barely see the road right now. I'm like walking and it's kind of hard for me to see. So yeah, I'm on my way to the gym and it's just weird. Okay. Anyways, see you in a bit. So look, even my back, it's really like very foggy. Like if you can, so look at the road. Look at, oh, that's the gym that I go to, right there. Right there, and there. And look, I think the police in there. You know, it's really hard, especially for the drivers, because they have to be careful of what's in front of them and also what's behind them. Oh, look at that light. It's so cool, isn't it? It's just, it's like a rising sun. Anyways, so, oh my god, that's so ridiculous, man. It's so scary. It's even closer to my place. I don't know what happened, but I can see the police right there. I think they're gonna clean that one up and it's gonna be a traffic. Look. It's been raining since this morning and oh. It's raining so bad, and I think tomorrow it's gonna be snowing. And oh my god, this is crazy. I mean, this is hilarious. I'm just wearing my leather shoes and on my way to the gym. And see you guys soon. I'm about to go. After going to the gym, I'm going to the mall as well. So see you guys later. Bye. Oh my god. Look. The bus, the other side is just there. Just waiting for the other one. I'm like waiting in the east side, yeah. Going to the gym. And before that, I'm gonna take another bus. Oh my god, my shoes are soaking wet. Saturday, and I'm gonna edit my vlog later today. Sure guys. And oh my god, last night there was an accident, and now look at this. I think there's another one again. Anyways, I hope you have a good one and see you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe and channel, and yeah. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. You know how cool it is right now? Really cool. Look at this. It's like so thin layer of the ice. It's a leftover from earlier today. It was really like slippery, and let's check this one out. Yeah, I showered.